Hi, this is Narayan from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss about factorial of number within range using recursion in Python. This is the continuation for part 6, factorial of number using recursion in Python. Please go through part 6 before going through this video. What is factorial number? Factorial number means to multiply a series of descending natural numbers. What is recursion? Recursion means the method calls itself is called recursion. We'll discuss recursion over programming. The formula to calculate factorial number is n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. For example, if you want to calculate 2 factorial is equal to 2 into 2 minus 1 factorial. Then 2 minus 1 factorial means 1 factorial. That means 2 into 1 factorial. 1 factorial is equal to 1. So 2 factorial is equal to 2 into 1. That means 2. In this program, if we provide input as 5, then we need to calculate 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial and 5 factorial. We'll discuss this logic over Visual Studio. Launch Visual Studio and create Python application. We need to read input from command prompt. Use input of please provide input number and assign to integer variable input number. Here input method returns string, but we are trying to store it in integer variable. We need to convert string to integer using int method. Later we need to check input value is valid or not. If input number less than 0, print invalid number, else. Here we need to print factorial number within the range. So we need to use for loop for I in range of 0 comma input number plus 1. Normally range method will print 0 to last number minus 1, but here we need to print range from 0 to last value. So we need to provide 0 comma input number plus 1, print factorial of comma I comma is comma fact of I. Now we need to implement factorial method to calculate factorial within the range. Def fact of num. Here we need to check num is equal to 0 or 1. If num equal to 0 or num equal to 1, return 1, else return num into fact of num minus 1. We'll execute this program without debugging, that means Ctrl F5. Please provide input number minus 3, enter invalid value, Ctrl F5, 0, factorial of 0 is 1, Ctrl F5, 1, factorial of 0 is 1, factorial of 1 is 1, Ctrl F5, 6, enter, and we'll get range from 0 to 6. We'll execute this program over debugging. To understand the execution, put breakpoint here and here, go to debug, start debugging or F5, later click on step into or F11. Start debugging, F11. Here we read input from command prompt, use 3, enter. Here 3 less than 0, false. We go to else part. In else part we write for loop. We need to calculate factorial number for within the range like 0, 1, 2, 3. So first we'll consider 0. Now here I is equal to 0, input number is equal to 3. That means we need to calculate 0 to 3. Factorial of 0. It will go to factorial method fact of 0. Then here we are checking num is equal to 0. Num is equal to 0, return 1. And print factorial of 0 is 1. So later here I is equal to 1, factorial of 1, factorial of 1 is 1. Next I is equal to 2, then factorial of 2, num is equal to 2, go to else part, 2 into fact of 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it will call fact of 1, fact of 1, then here return 1. 2 into 1 will get 2. Next F11, here I is equal to 3, fact of 3, here num is equal to 3. Here we are checking condition num is equal to 0 or 1. false, it will go to else part. Here 3 into fact of 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means 2. We need to calculate fact of 2. Now 3 into then fact of 2. Now we will calculate 3 into 2 into 2 minus 1, 1. Here written 1. Now final output is 3 into 2 into 1. That means 6. And here we are getting output as factorial of 3 is 6, F11, and it will exit from for loop. And we are getting output as, please provide input number 3 and output as factorial of 0 is 1, factorial of 1 is 1, factorial of 2 is 2, factorial of 3 is 6. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.